Hello, welcome. Let's continue our tutorial on the revision of the topics we have treated so far as a complete tutorial. This one is the episode 15, and this is on indices, which will lead us into a simultaneous equation. So if 9 exponent x times 3 exponent 2y equals 1 over 729, and that of 2 exponent minus x times 4 exponent minus y equals to 1 on 8, we have to find the value of x and y. So picking the first one, we have 9 exponent x times 3 exponent 2y equals to 1 on 729. Now, in solving questions, exponential equation questions, we try as much as possible to have all the index having the same base. If they are having the same base, then we can deal with the exponent. So what do we do? The simplest base here is base 3. This is also 9 times 3 times 3 will be 9. So we break this one as well. Then 729 can also be expressed in terms of base 3, as in we are multiplying series of 3 to see how many will give us 729. We know 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, 81. 81 times 3, that will be 243. That times 3 will give us 729. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also recall that if I have 1 over a exponent n as a fraction, I can write that as a exponent negative n. That is going to happen here. So this is going to be 3 exponent 2, which give rise to 9. That exponent is having x. So we multiply times 3 exponent 2y equals to, moving this, it will be 3 exponent 6. But because of this, it's going to be 3 exponent 6 in this form, which we can transfer in this form to be this. So here I'll have my minus 1. What can I see? Base 3, base 3, base 3. So since all the base are the same, we are going to pick the exponent. But before then, you can see the left is multiplying. The laws of indices. If you have a exponent m times a exponent n, as long as they are the same base that are multiplying, we are only going to add the exponent. So base 3 become 3 exponent 2x plus 2y equals to 3 exponent minus 6. So now we have a single base at both sides of the equal sign. We pick only the numerator, only the powers, meaning 2x plus 2y equals to negative 6. But this will be our first equation, but I can see 2, 2, 2 as a common factor. So I'll divide through by 2 to have x plus y equals to negative 3 as my first equation. So dealing with this, we arrive at this as our first equation. Then we have to move on to the second, which is going to be 2 exponent minus x times 4 exponent minus y equals to 1 on 8. You remember, we have to write all in the same base, equal base. So I can write 4 in base 2. I can write 8 as in 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. So that will be 2 exponent 3. Remember the property that says that if I have 1 over, this is going to be 2 exponent negative 3 from the property we stated here. So here I will only have my 2 exponent minus x times 2 exponent 2. 2 exponent 2 will give us 4. Then the 2 will multiply the minus y to give you minus 2y equals to 2 exponent minus 3. From here, that is going to be 1 over 8 will be equals to 1 over 2 exponent 3. Then from the property, we can move to this stage. Applying the laws of multiplication, the same base, so I have 2 exponent minus x plus this exponent, and that will be equals to 2 exponent minus 3. So since we are having the same base at both sides of the equal sign, we take the numerators. We take the exponent, right? So that is going to be minus x. The negative will have effect to give you minus 2y equals to minus 3. Equation 2, picking only the exponent. So we are solving equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. I can see the coefficient here is 1 for the x is 1. The sign is 1 minus positive. So if I add, I will easily eliminate the x. So I only say equation 1 plus equation 2. Therefore, minus x plus x, that will be 0. Minus 2y plus y, that will be minus y equals to minus 3 plus minus 3. Two different minus 3 come together, give you minus 6. But you're looking for y, not negative y. So we divide or multiply by negative. That implies that y will be equals to a positive 6. So in the moment we know the y, we can find x in any of the two equations. So I only say put y equal to 6 into, let's say, equation 1. Let's use the beginning equation, going to be x plus y. And what is y? Y is 6 equals to the minus 3. So fast forward, we are going to subtract 6 from both sides, meaning x will be equals to here minus 3 minus what? 6. So x will be negative 9. So the value of x, negative 9, the value of y is 6. We have to find the values, okay? So therefore, the value of x is negative 9, y is what? 6. I'm sure you follow through the concept, how we are able to move from indices into simultaneous equation. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.